We know that large language models generate data based on the instructions you provide. Large language models are trained on massive amount of data. They take instructions from humans to generate responses. For example, you want to create a specific image, you can give a business justification and it might generate an image as per your business requirement. Or you want to draft a sales email, you can give guidelines to large language models and they can write an effective sales email. So the instructions you have provided are known as prompts. More effective prompts, more effective answer generation via these large language models. Now, how to write an effective prompt? Suppose I am a bakery owner and I have just hired an assistant chef. That chef is very talented chef. Once I give him instructions like flavor, like event, like decoration guidelines, like taste, like size of the cake, that talented chef can easily create a, a new cake based on my requirements. The same way prompts work. And that chef can regularly taste the cake in the process of making and can make adjustments to make it a perfect cake based on the requirements. Similarly, you have to give more and more instructions to AI so that a effective you get an effective answer from the AI. So now, how to write an effective prompt? There are few characteristics we can understand which makes a prompt better and can help generate better response via these large language models. For example, I am a cake bakery owner and I want to create blogs for customers. I want to teach how to create a effective and decorative cake. So I have to give instructions to large language models to generate a blog for my bakery shop. So I will distribute my prompt in multiple characteristics. For example, the first and important characteristic I will define is the participant. In that participant characteristic, I will make sure that the prompt has information around myself, like I am a cake bakery owner. Then I will do some settings in the prompt. In this setting, tell I will mention instruction in the prompt that I am a bakery owner and I am fond of writing blogs on cake decorations. And then I will set a clear goal inside a prompt. That goal should be that I want to write a blog for my customers so that they can learn and design decorative cakes. I will define relationships inside that prompt. For example, I will tell this blog will be for my regular customers who are fond of making decorative cakes. Then I will define data inside the prompt. The data can be I am going to launch new cake collections at my bakery and I want to write a blog around those cake collections. And then I will give some clear instructions within a prompt. Instructions like this blog should be in language English, should not be guessing context, rather should be focusing on instructions, should be around 600 words, easy to understand, like a 6-year-old boy can understand. In the same language, the AI has to generate the response. So these are the configurations I will do while writing a prompt so that my responses are perfect. And if I have managed to write a perfect prompt, I can save it as a template. It That prompt can become a prompt template for my future prompts. Now in this prompt template, I can define few placeholders. For example, if I am going to launch a new type of cake collections in future, I just have to replace few placeholders. My prompt template is already ready, and AI can quickly correlate from my template and generate new type of blocks in future based on these prompt templates. Similarly, within Salesforce, we have prompt builder. Prompt builder have Prompt builder has predefined templates which you can use for writing prompts. For example, we have sales email prompt template, we have field generation prompt template, we have record summary prompt template, we have flex prompt templates. I want to write a sales email for my customers. I can use sales email prompt template. Or I want to write some data inside some custom fields within Salesforce objects. I can use field generation prompt templates. I want to summarize a record. I can use record summary prompt template. I want to write a custom business requirement altogether. I can use flex prompt templates. So Salesforce uses merge fields, flows, data 360 and apex as data points to give effective answers. Once we use these prompt templates, merge fields, flows, data 360, formerly known as Salesforce Data Cloud, and apex, Salesforce uses these data points to give effective responses to our prompts. Salesforce uses Einstein Trust Layer. Einstein Trust Layer makes sure that your data is secure. If Einstein has to send or take help from external large language models, it makes sure that the data is encrypted, data is masked, so that it takes care of your data privacy and sensitivity